There are many ways to make money and get paid on YouTube. The first method is YouTube ad revenue. YouTube has a feature where they embed ads throughout your video. If you go on YouTube, you will see the ads in the videos while you play them, unless you are a YouTube Premium subscriber. So you get paid every time the ads show up in your video. If your video is more than 10 minutes in length, you can add multiple ad breaks in your video. But don't just clutter the video with ads, as people will click off your video, and we don't want that. If your video is less than 10 minutes, then you can add ads at the beginning of your video. The other methods are brand deals, products, sponsored posts, affiliate links, and so on, and we will discuss them in the next videos. With ad revenue, you only have to set up your AdSense account and add your bank account, and YouTube will deposit the money every month in your bank account, which makes it easy and simple for you. For this, you have to meet the basic requirements, which at this moment are: you need to have 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours during 1 year or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Because this might change over time, I've put a link in the description where you can always be up to date with YouTube channel monetization policies. Your channel must also be in good standing and have no copyright strikes. If you're monetizing on YouTube, it's important that your channel follows YouTube monetization policies on the link. It's very important before you actually start your channel to read these policies, along with the community guidelines, as you will find valuable information, and you will not find yourself in a position that you won't get approved because, for example, you played a game and did a video about it, or you copy a video and that's it. So please read all of that information before you decide to start your channel. I honestly don't recommend to buy views, subscribers, and all that stuff, as this will only get your channel banned at some point. So let's grow organically and, most of all, legally, right? The amount you get paid is calculated per views, and it varies for everybody, depending on the niche you choose, the country you are from, the time of year, and so on. So you can get $8 per 1,000 views for a movie niche in the USA in January, and you can also get $5 per 1,000 views for the same niche in, let's say, Romania, right? There's actually a good side until you get those 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. And that is, people will likely watch more of your content since you don't have any ads in the video. And you can also focus more on the content than on earnings. Oh, and please subscribe to the YouTube official creators channel to get more tips and to stay up to date with all the new features. You can find the link in the description of this video.